good day and good afternoon again everyone, and welcome again to another vlog. So for today's vlog, we're going to replace the rear derailleur of our e-bike road bike conversion project, as it has already been quite a while since it's been jumping change and not good shifting mechanism. So I think this would caused by an old derailleur system, which is this one. So this is the Dura rear derailleur. I think the problem here is the springs are already not functioning, especially this one. It would no longer return to such particular angle when at the lower or smallest cogs here. So we'll try to replace this one, and also we're going to replace this one. We're going to replace the long stem from 110 millimeter head stem and the cockpit with the following items that I've recently purchased to do this project. So first we have a new stem, which is Awake, a brand or model. So this one is only 70 millimeter long at a positive 7-degree angle. And also for the rear derailleur, I have this one. So this one is a Shimano, I think. This one is a SHIMANO TIAGRA here, which we're going to replace the old SHIMANO Dura. So hopefully this will solve all the problems related to jumping chains and skipping shifts. So first we have to remove their shifting cable. And placing the cassette at the smallest cog so that it would be easier to redo later. And then remove the rear shifter, rear derailleur. Okay. So it also has a broken pulley, which I think one of the causes of skipping chain and jumping chains. Let's clean it a little bit. So one of the important thing here is that this screw is the stopper on the rear installation here, which is also a little bit of a hook. So see to it that this one sits on this stopper here. Also, I need to take off the chain because this one has a barrier in between. So next is checking on the middle pulley. We should align this one to the smallest cog by adjusting the screws here, which is low and high. Okay, so by manually pulling the shifter, you also need to align the middle pulley to this one, to the biggest cog. Okay, so it's now perfectly aligned. As you can see here, the middle pulley is already aligned to the smallest cog, and by pushing it further, it's now aligned to the biggest cog. So time to install the chain. So before installing the cable, just see to it and make sure that you have shifted your front brake here, front shifter to the rear derailleur to the lowest setting, and install the cable. And before that, okay, push this adjustment spacer here, just turn it clockwise all the way in and return back a few clicks before installing the cable. Just like that. Please. Yan, tayo na sa table. Okay, just enough so that you can adjust the cables later. So we have finally installed the rear derailleur with the new SHIMANO TIAGRA. I just couldn't verify it's authentic or not, but it gets the job done. It gets the job done as it is. And also we have already changed out the front stem from 110 millimeter to 70 millimeter stem. So this is now the new stem, and also the new derailleur, which is the SHIMANO TIAGRA. I just couldn't find its authenticity, but it gets the job done. So I have already tested this one yesterday evening, since I was able to film it because it was already dark. But then shifting problems were already solved. So hopefully this would last for a long time or a long while, as it already solved the problems of chain alignment, shifting, and for the comfort, since I've replaced the shorter stem, so it's now been considered for comfort riding. Which is really what's the main purpose for this one. Okay, so if you have questions or comments regarding the conversion or something, or the change replacement of the derailleur, I'll be happy to answer those questions if you put them down in the comment below. So see you in the next one.